Good morning to your children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Your audio, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sit and sit. Melina, mute your audio. Abhinant,
Good morning, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
Nalvin, mute your audio. $37. Okay. Okay. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, dear. How are you all?
Fine,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In, ma'am.
Okay, children. What we have discussed on the last class?
Jadi Panchayat.
Yes. Jadi Panchayat. About Prashastis. Yes, Prashastis. Then
This and Jadi, the Jadi
Regional Empire.
pan-regional
Pan-regional empire.
empire. Okay, this all things we have discussed, and we have discussed about the religious changes. Okay, okay, that all we have discussed. Okay, and what do you meant by a prashasti?
is rules.
Prashasti.
The rulers.
Books like manuscripts.
Yeah, it is written records. Okay, like manuscripts means it's giving information. Okay, most commonly it was written by the learned men. Okay, and they were writing about a king, means his achievements. Okay, but we contrast the prashastis because it was an exaggerated. Most of the prashastis was an exaggerated one. Okay, because the people who have written this manuscripts always, sorry, manuscripts not prashastis, were always exaggerating the things. Okay, they were expecting a reward, okay, huge reward from the king or the ruler. Okay, but still the historians depends upon the prashastis for getting information. And one Sanskrit prashasti is written about Ghiyasuddin
Sultan Ghiyasuddin.
Ghiyasuddin Balban. And we also discussed about pan-regional empire. Okay, the empire which have spanning diverse regions. Okay, yes, like dynasties like Tughlaq, Mughals. Okay, of different dynasties, Khaljis. Do you remember?
Yes,
Okay. Then lastly we have discussed about old and new religion. Okay, sometimes there was no personal, means the worship was not a personal, it was often collective. Okay, collective belief in a supernatural agency, that is religion, that was common during the medieval period. Okay, and we have discussed the important changes that happened in Hinduism. Can any one of you tell me what all changes
Ma'am.
happened in Hinduism?
ma'am.
Ma'am, worship of deities.
Yes, worship of new
Of
deities.
deities,
Okay,
construction of temples,
construction of temples by the
importance of Brahmanas,
Worship of deities,
Brahmins.
construction
Idea
of
of
temples,
yeah.
growing
Yes.
importance of Brahmins.
Yeah, yes. The construction of temples and growing importance of the Brahmanas as
Brahmins.
the dominant, okay, section in the
Yes.
dominant group in the society. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes.
People started tilling the land and became peasants.
That means here we are discussing about religion,
Okay.
religious changes. Okay, and then this Brahmins become an influential part in the society. Till that we have discussed, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next another change was happen. Okay, was the idea of bhakti. Okay, the idea of bhakti. That means that a loving personal deity.
deity.
Okay, a loving personal deity which the devotees could reach without the aid of a priest or some elaborate rituals. See, we all are doing the rituals, right? Means related to our religion, especially the Hindus, right? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so some religious, some ceremonies we used to do, means it is in our related to our religion. So the idea of bhakti means that, okay, a loving personal deity. Personal, what do you mean by personal deity?
The belief. Their own deities.
Yes, we believe in God, right? Okay, so we have some personal, means we have some personal attachment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So a loving personal deity, that devotees, what do you mean by devotee? Those who believe or those who worship the God.
Then worship and all.
Yes, okay. So devotees could reach the God without the aid of a priest. Okay, priest or any rituals, without any rituals. Okay, that is mean by the idea of bhakti. That was an important change happened during the medieval time. Okay, the idea of bhakti, a loving personal deity that devotees could reach without the aid of a priest or elaborate rituals. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Amal Anthony, can you tell me what do you mean by the idea of bhakti? Amal?
Ma'am.
What do you mean by the idea means of bhakti movement? See, a personal deity. Okay, a loving personal deity. Okay, that we could reach without the aid of a ritual or a priest. Yes. Who is calling me? Is it Adityan?
Yes, ma'am.
I know that. Okay, so children, what do you meant by Amal Anthony? Amal Anthony, is it clear now?
Yes.
What does it mean? Tell me.
A personal deity.
Yes.
When we become
We could reach the God we could reach the God without
priest.
Without priest or a rituals. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next important change happened was the emergence of Islam. New religion arrived in the subcontinent. Okay, and it is Islam. Okay, and the merchants and the migrants, means these people were always traveling to different places, right? Okay, so these people brought the idea of Islam here in the subcontinent. Okay, and they accepted the sovereignty of one God, that is Allah. Okay, and they accepted Holy Quran as Quran as their holy book. That was the another major change happened during the medieval time. New religion like Islam appeared. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear? Do I need to write it?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Mm,
No, ma'am.
Yes. First is the idea of bhakti.
Ma'am, page number textbook.
11.
Page number
11.
11. Yes. The idea of bhakti, which means,
Can you hear me?
yes,
Thank you.
personal deity, which the devotees could reach without the aid of a priest or or elaborate rituals. The next point, new religion. Islam. Arrived here in the subcontinent, okay, and they accepted Quran as their holy book. Okay, and they accepted the sovereignty, okay, of one God, that is Allah. Mute your audio. I have told you I don't want to hear any more sound from your home. Nalvin? Yes. Okay. Is it? Did you note it down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So new religion appeared. That was the other major change happened during the medieval period. That is Islam. Okay. They accepted the sovereignty of one God. Okay, only one God, and it is Allah. And the Quran. They accepted Quran as their holy book. Okay, and like Hinduism, okay, this Islam also was interpreted in many ways. What about now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so like Hinduism, okay, Islam also interpreted. Yes?
It's not clear.
Let me
It's
check.
clear
Let me
for
Ma'am,
us.
it's clear for us.
It's clear for us. Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, it's clear.
Ma'am, it's clear for us.
It's clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Now
Then,
it's clear. Before it was not clear.
okay, okay. Okay.
Ma'am, it's not clear. Ma'am,
Yes?
I don't understand it.
Which one?
In this one.
Eh?
In this Quran and
Quran was the holy book of Muslims. Okay. For Hindus, there were Bhagavad Gita and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The same way the Muslims, okay, have the accepted Quran as their holy book. Okay, it have information about their prayers, their rituals, all things will be there. Okay, to follow. Okay, then there were two sections of the Muslims, that is Shia Muslim.
Ma'am, how many sections?
Two. Shia. Okay, and Sunni Muslims.
I can't hear properly.
They were Shia Muslims and Sunni Muslims. The Shia Muslims believed that Prophet Muhammad's son-in-law, that is Ali, was the legitimate leader of Islam. Okay. And Sunni Muslims, okay, they regarded, they were the followers of Caliphs.
Muhammad.
Yes. Mute your audio. Lakshmi, mute your audio.
Mama.
Emelina. Okay, children. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me revise the points.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshmi, sit properly. What you are doing there?
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. New religion appeared in the subcontinent or arrived in the subcontinent, that is Islam. Okay, merchants and the migrants, those who were traveling to different places, merchants. Why they were traveling to different places?
In search of
Merchants.
good opportunities.
Yes, tell me.
In search of good opportunities.
Merchants means traders. Okay, they used to
To
sell
sell
the
their
things.
goods. To sell
Okay,
their goods.
and migrants, those who are traveling to different places. Okay, so these people have come up with the idea of Islam. Okay, and it was during this medieval period, the idea of Islam or the religion of Islam was arrived, and they accepted the supremacy or sovereignty of one God. Okay, who was that?
Allah.
Allah. Okay, and their holy book.
Quran.
Okay, and like Hinduism, Islam also was interpreted in two ways, because there was two Muslims, two sections, that is Shias and Sunni.
Sunni Muslim.
Okay, but these two people here, Shia people believed that Prophet Ali Muhammad son-in-law, that is Ali, okay, was the leader of the Islam or their Muslim community. Okay, but the Sunnis believe that they were the followers, these Muslim community or the Muslim followers were they were the followers of Caliphs. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the major changes happened in religion during the medieval period. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
shall we move to the next portion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next is, we know that the historians are dividing the history into periods, right? When we started this chapter, we talked about ancient period, right? Ancient period means it's a period of hunter-gatherers. People were confined to the forest and they were merely eating the things they obtained from the forest. Okay, later these people were pushed out from the forest and they were started to practice agriculture. Okay, and have you studied about the ancient civilizations like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, etc.?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
some cities were developed, some places were developed into civilizations. Okay, so the historians means time is, as the time changes, okay, so, time changes, there was a reflection of the social and the economic changes. Socially and economically, the society began to change. Okay, this chapter itself, what we have discussed, the changes happened, what all changes happened during the medieval period, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so children, the historians are dividing the time into larger segment called periods. Okay, historians are dividing the time into larger periods, means larger segments, that is being called as periods. Okay, because it is easy for us to study history. Okay,
Yes.
we know that history is a study about the past. What all things were happened during the past. Okay, about a ruler, when he crowned, and when he means what all his achievements. Okay, all these details we are getting from history, from studying history. Okay, for us, for making us easy to study history, historians divided it into different periods. Okay, into larger segments. And British historians, you know, they have divided history into on the religious basis. Okay, they divided the history on the basis, means
Who
the
are
British
Americans?
historians divided like Hindu, Muslim, and British. Hindu, Muslim, and British. This was the way the British historians divide our history. Do you think it is correct?
Ma'am, who divided?
No.
British historians. British historians divide the history of India into three periods, that is Hindu, Muslim, and British.
No.
Oh,
No,
yes. Why?
wrong.
Why?
Because they are making three different,
Different. Then
and they are giving more importance for Christians, British.
no, they are giving by Christian. What do you mean by Christian? They are given more importance to religion.
Religion.
Right, religion. See, children, Hindu, Muslims, and British. Okay, so it we can't means that the division was based on the idea that the religion of rulers was the only important historical change. Okay, the religion of the rulers was the only important historical change. Okay, so it's not actually, means we can't take, means our Indian historians, okay, are not ready to accept this periodization. Okay, so children, so our historians are dividing history as ancient, medieval, and modern. So the British historians divided Indian history into three, that is Hindu, Muslim, and British.
And who
Okay,
divided?
they merely divide our means our history on the basis of religion. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, who divided into ancient, medieval, and modern?
Indian historians. This one?
British
British
historians.
historians.
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so such a division ignore the rich diversity of the Indian subcontinent, because we can't divide a rich, okay, rich culture of our, I mean, of the subcontinents like Hindu, Muslim, and British. Okay, and our historians follow this periodization, that is ancient, medieval, and modern. So ancient history. Okay, you all have studied it in the previous year about ancient history, about ancient civilizations, and about forest gatherers and all, right? Okay, and this year you have studied about medieval history, that is the changes happen during the medieval period. That means 700 to 1750. Okay, during means in course of this time, what all changes happened? Okay, can you recollect the points from the beginning?
And this
We
chapter.
have discussed about the maps. Okay, the art of cartography.
Literacy.
Yes, literacy.
Amir
Technology.
Yes.
In 19
Political group.
Okay, the art of cartography. Just
New social and political groups.
then the next we have discussed about the means the
Map
changes in the terms. Some terms we used in the past, we will never use it now. Okay, and we talked about Hindustan and foreigner. Okay, all these have entirely different meaning while were used in the past. Then we talked about sources. Please ask your question, children. Some disturbance are coming.
Technological changes.
Yes. Technological changes.
and new social and political
Political groups.
Jadi
Social
Panchayat.
and political
Jadi
groups.
Panchayat.
Region and empire.
People were grouped on the basis of their occupation and the caste.
economical, political, social and culture changes.
Yes. The changes in their culture. Jadi Panchayat was formed. Then lastly, we have discussed about
Jadi Panchayat.
Prashasti.
Prashasti.
the
Bhakti.
empire, means pan regional empire.
Bhakti.
Bhakti.
Then last, the changes in the religion. Okay, so these all changes will happen during the medieval time. So the historians, okay, has looked into this period because changes happened tremendously over this period. Okay, and modernity. What do you mean by modernity? So ancient means the period of hunter-gatherers and all. Medieval period, there was a gradual change happened than the modern period. And what do you mean by modern period or modernity?
The life we are leading now.
Yes. Okay, it all began new inventions, new technologies. It was improved a lot than the medieval period. Okay, so the British historians, they were merely divided over vast Indian history on the basis of the religion, that is Hindu, Hindu, Muslim and British. Okay, and they had given much more importance to their own period, that is British, means when they came here and they become colonized India. Okay, but our historians ignored this periodization. Okay, and we do follow that ancient, medieval, modern. Okay, children, this is the end of our chapter. Okay, see children, go through the lesson. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you just message me or you call me. We will discuss it on the next class. And come with the geography book on the next day. We can start a new lesson from geography. Okay, children, the notes today I will send. The full notes I will send by today. Okay? Only two more questions left.
Ma'am, in the website?
Also, website I have uploaded. I have uploaded the notes. But today I will send the WhatsApp also. If any question answer, if you missed, you complete it today and file it. Okay, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.